Hi, my name is Victoria. Welcome to this channel. I'll be teaching you how to draw your eyebrow, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. To draw your eyebrow, the basic things you need: a mascara wand, you need your angle brush, the pencil. You can also use gel liner to draw your brow, but for today I'll be using pencil. Maybe in my next video I'll show you how to use the gel liner. So your concealer is also something you must have before you can get a perfect brow. To achieve a flawless eyebrow, make sure your pencil is well sharpened, like it has to be pointed, so that when drawing it you'll not be having excess lines underneath. So you have to make it sharp. Like I said, you brush out the eyebrow, then I'm starting underneath, not so far from my eyebrow.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this.
The way I'm doing it, I'm not pressing my hand on my face. I'm just making a light stroke. Then you come up again and do for the upper part. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's what your concealer is for, so that you can clean out the mistakes easily.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up.
Okay, so now we have to fill it. Don't shade, you only fill out the space in between the eyebrows. You don't shade. Okay, so fill it out lightly. You fill it out lightly, then you brush it out. So this front, I'm just making a slight stroke because I want to make it as natural as possible. I don't want it to be too dark. Like I said, don't shade, you only fill it out and make the tiny stroke for the front. So now we cannot brush it out. We are going in with our concealer now and our angle brush. Make sure it's a flat brush that you can use. And I'm using concealer LA Girl and the color of fawn. That's and the shade of fawn. So there are different kind of concealer, but make sure the concealer you want to use for your face is maybe one shade or two lighter than your skin color. So for today I'll be using fawn. The excesses. And as you're cleaning it out, you blend. So before I do the upper part, I would like to conceal the other eyebrow underneath, because with this I'll be able to know if the eyebrow is on the same line or not. Like I told you the other time, don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you can see that I'm already cleaning the tip of my eyebrow, so I can go back with my pencil. Go for the upper part. And blend it out. So you blend everything to make it look clean. So I hope you learned one of the things from this video. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and share. Also subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.